Mein Name ist Gerhard Möller.
My name is Gerhard Müller.
Ich bin im Hause
At Carl Zeiss, I'm the product manager for Zoom microscopes for industry, quality control and materials analysis. Do you want to analyze and document large objects quickly and precisely in high resolution?
Dann brauchen Sie ein Mikroskop mit
Then you need a microscope that gives you a high aperture and large object field without sacrificing working distance.
mit dem 16.
The 16x zoom of your Axio Zoom.V16 lets you switch instantly from overview down to the smallest details, using a large working distance and without changing the objective.
Bereits bei niedrigen
Even at low magnifications, you're already getting twice the resolution of a conventional light microscope. This speeds up imaging of large measuring fields of your lithium-ion accumulators or rotor shafts. You'll be working up to 4 times faster.
Übrigens,
By the way, at the touch of a button, you can switch effortlessly between 3 optimized depth of field modes. Best resolution and brightness, optimum depth of field when using a digital camera, or universal mode when viewing through your eyepiece.
für Okularbetrachtung. Weitere Informationen
For further information, visit our website.